For this problem, we need to find the second derivative, but again, we have to start with the first derivative, and I'm actually going to start out by rewriting this. So we have y equals 2 cosine of 1/2 x. Now let's do the derivative. So y prime equals, and that 2 is just going to be brought down as part of your coefficient, times the derivative of cosine of an angle. It's going to be negative sine of that angle times the derivative of the angle. And I would simplify this a little bit more before I do the second derivative just to make things easier. So we're really looking at the derivative of negative sine of 1/2 x. So we have now the second derivative. That negative does come down, and the derivative of sine of an angle is cosine of that angle times the derivative of the angle. So it looks like the answer choice we get is going to be B.